Believe it or not, this is the quietest place I can find in the house tonight. I have a feeling that this chair is going to be very comfortable to do this video. Oh, man, that feels good. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Sam 610. I have to say this is probably the quietest spot in the house right now. Today is Veterans Day, so I want to give a special thanks to all that served in this country. We all appreciate your service, much appreciated. So I was going to do a video with my drone today for Veterans Day, but instead it rained. It rained today, it's going to rain tomorrow, and it's going to rain the day after. So as you guys already know, I have already passed 800 subscribers on this channel, and I want to say how thankful I am that I had reached such a good milestone on YouTube, on this platform. It is obviously very hard to grow in this platform, and I know a lot of people are struggling. So what I want to do is help each and every single subscriber that comes in my channel, that hits the like button, that drops me a comment. I do see each and every one of you, and I really do appreciate it. So what I'm going to do for this 800 subscriber special is that I want to reach out to you guys. So if you guys want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop me a comment that you would like to have a shout out in my next video. I do see you guys. I really appreciate it. So this is where I'm going to end this video. This video was going to be short and sweet. I really hope you guys like my time lapse of the raining today. That's all I can give you guys. Unfortunately, because of the rain, I could not shoot any drone footage today, and I won't be doing it for the next couple of days either. So hopefully you guys found some value to this video. If you found some value to this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.